working with legacy graphics software and encountered an IX image file. This is a raster image format used by Micrografx graphics applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these images. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for IX problems. See below for my top choice. An image file format associated with software from Micrografx, a company known for early Windows-based graphics applications like Micrografx Designer and Picture Publisher. Users typically encounter these legacy files when trying to access or convert old artwork or designs created in the 1990s for use in modern software. The IX format is a proprietary binary structure designed to store raster or vector graphics data efficiently for Micrografx applications. It was engineered to balance file size and image quality for the hardware constraints of its era, containing bitmap data, color palettes, and metadata specific to the creating software. System file recognition for IX is optimized for Micrografx Designer by Micrografx, acquired by Coral. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows can show them in standard viewers, though professional adjustments need imaging software. To bypass the error, right-click the IX file and choose Open With. Test Micrografx Designer if it is an option. If it's missing, select any other program. Some niche tools handle the format better. If your IX file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, opening in Picture Publisher. Launch Micrografx. Picture Publisher if you have a legacy installation, and use File, then Open to load the IX file. The application displays the raster image and provides editing tools for color adjustments, cropping, retouching, and saving in alternative formats. Next, converting to standard format. Within Picture Publisher, use File, then Save. As to convert the IX file to PNG, JPEG, TIFF, or other widely supported formats. The conversion preserves the image data while making it accessible to modern image editors and viewers across platforms. Finally, using modern editors. Once converted to PNG, JPEG, or TIFF, the image opens in Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, Affinity, Photo, or any modern image editor. These applications provide far more advanced editing capabilities than the original Micrografx tools and broader format support for sharing and printing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.